Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. Want every day to be payday? Why not? All right, 30 minutes a day is all you need, okay? 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month, and eventually you can get there, okay? The idea is to just keep being persistent and consistent. And of course, that's with anything that you want to do, okay? But look here for me. It says your big opportunity may be right where you are now, okay? Right in front of you, okay? Right today, okay? We all have possibilities we don't know about. We can do things we don't even dream we can do. Every experience is an opportunity to learn and grow. I am neither an optimist nor pessimist, but a possibilist. And that's an anonymous quote, but I love that. The quote says, I am neither an optimist nor a pessimist, but a possibilist. Man, and that's what you and I have to become if we are going to make money every single day, okay? And look here, it says cash paid every day, easy, $200 or more per day with our program, okay? Now, the potential of this is very real. The key is to get started and start putting some things into action, okay? All you need is 30 minutes each day to do this, okay? Okay, so no experience necessary, and you're going to get step-by-step instructions, okay? Folks, this is very powerful. It is a low-cost, high-profit potential opportunity, okay? Now, this isn't a pyramid scheme, rather, and of course, I don't believe in pyramid schemes. It's not MLM either. I do believe in MLM. There are some great programs, but this is not one of those programs. This is not MLM, okay? You control the sales. The only limit to your income is the effort you put in, okay? Many users earn between $160 to $640 a week, and that's getting started and putting some work in, okay, so that you can build up to that, okay? But think about that. Think about earning $160 to $640 a week, okay? And really, that's just the beginning. Are you ready to turn a $29.95 or $30 one-time investment into thousands? Think about that. Spend one time out of pocket $29.95 or $30, what we call, okay? And you can be in business with this powerful, little but powerful system, okay? GTL, okay? Grab the link in the description area of this video to get started and create your new income stream today, okay? Now, in closing, this isn't just a program. It's a money-making machine waiting for you to take action, okay? Okay, but there you have it for this video. And again, I just want to say thank you for taking a moment to check out this video. Be sure to grab that link, check things out, and get started today. Bye-bye now.